Good afternoon. It is September the 21st, 2016. Time to recap our trading today. We came in today with an up bias. We figured the bond is heavily oversold into the Bank of Japan. And FOMC announcement today, we figured that the FOMC announcement would show rates unchanged in September. No mention of QE, perhaps suggesting that the next rate increase came in December, and that's exactly the way it worked out. So, because the market was oversold and off at least 7 points, depending on where you measured the starting point of the sell-off to as high as 14, it seemed reasonable to us. First trade that's set up for us really nicely, and it's the preferred trade, is a retest failure trade. Good for 11 if you traded it perfectly. Another retest failure trade right here. After this little retest failure off the low. It was good for 30 seconds. A retest failure trade here and there. Good for 4 if you traded it perfectly. This retest failure trade good for 8 if you traded it perfectly. This retest failure or this monkey trade good for 12 if you traded those perfectly. Either of these two monkey trades good for 16 if you traded it perfectly. Retest failure off the high. Monkey trades right here good for 7 to 10 points depending on where you got out. Here's the FOMC news. We sidelined ourselves into that. Monkey trade right here good for 17 if you traded it perfectly. Monkey trade right here good for 15 if you traded it perfectly. Another monkey trade here just good for 6 if you traded it perfectly. And the final trade of the day was a monkey trade to the buy side good for 8:30 seconds. 9 trades total. Only taking 6:30 seconds max on our winners, and you see big trades all over the place today. That's 58:30 seconds or $1,812. Big contract can put a lot of money in the account quickly once you understand its personality and the parameters. We're going to give the new subscribers a 5-day free trial offer in the room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, 30-year bond, 10-year note, and the E-mini. In those 5 free days, you get to see me, the software, and the methodology work live, real time. You'll get answers to the questions about whether our service is right for you or not. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.